So now let's see how we can insert bar chart and work with it inside of Google Docs document. So to insert a bar chart, I'm going to keep my cursor right here. There's a space. And then I'm going to click on insert, and then I'm going to go to charts right here, where you can select several different charts. I'm going to go with bar in this lesson and click on it. And what it does is it creates a bar chart for us. And just like an image, we can control it out. We can go into image options, and the options that you see here are the same as you see for any other images. But to edit the data, you need to open up the source file. So you can click over here, and then you can see right here, there's an option called open source. So it opens the document in Google Sheets right here, where the chart is actually generated. So you can go over here and change out the data. So I'm just going to go around over here. I'm going to say sales, just like this. And period 2, I'm just going to remove this delete column right over here. You can see that it immediately changes out in the visual graph as well. So I'm just going to go around over here and say switch Xbox, and I'm going to say PlayStation, just like this. And I'm going to remove theme 4. I can add in more data over here as well. It just adds it onto the chart just like that, as you can see. So I can go over here and type in, let's say 100. This is going to be 50, and this is going to be maybe 20 right over here. And I can see that this is how it actually works out. You can also click over here and then go to the option. So I can go around and then work around with it. I can go around over here, changing the name as well. So I'm just going to type in sales, and I can go around over here and then change this around as well. Over here in the chart editor, you can see you can choose around the chart style right here. You can choose the background color of the chart right here. You can change out these fonts and other options, as you can see. So you can go around, change it out according to what you want. You can also give it a 3D look and give a compare mode right here, maybe chart axis, chart title. You can go around over here and then work around with subtitle, everything else right here. So this can be worked on in detail right over here. So you can go around, change the color of the sales right here, just like this. And you can see that you can change around the legend colors. You can change this around right here. You can change around like the fonts right over here for the legends, for the height and everything else. Right? You can change out the settings you want from over here, just like this. And then that's it. You made changes to your chart. So once you do that, you do not need to save this. You simply go back. But wait, it's not updated here. That is because this is a linked file and you need to click update right here in order to see the changes. So the charts are generated in Google Sheets right here, and then it just gets referenced over here in Google Docs. So that is how you can insert and work with bar chart inside of Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.